You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of fashion, designers, brands, music celebrities, also stay tuned, there are more videos for you. AI artist, musical artist, Xania Monet. Monet is the French name of a famous French painter too. Xania Monet is how you want to pronounce it. English pronunciation, her name, Xania Monet, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.